Hello and welcome. I'm Riette, and in today's tutorial I will be walking you through how to make a very simple notebook. I love making these notebooks. They are easy and quick, you can personalize them, and they make great gifts. Feel free to use any paper and decorations you want, have fun with it, and make it your own. Let's get started. Here's what you'll need: cardboard or cardstock or any heavy paper for the cover, paper for the inside pages, a craft or hobby knife, scissors, ruler, awl or something sharp to make holes, eraser, pencil, bone folder, needle to sew your book, thread. I'm using thin crochet thread. For decoration I'm using ribbon, a brush pen, glue and double-sided tape, and a cutting board. First you'll need to cut your paper. I decided to make 4 books, 2 horizontal or landscape and 2 vertical or portrait. For the vertical or long strips, I left the paper length and cut the strips 10 centimeters wide. For the horizontal or wider strips, I left the width of the paper and cut 12 centimeter strips. I used 10 sheets of paper per book as I could get 2 pieces per page. This means my books each have 40 pages. Next, cut the board or heavier paper the same size as your pages. Now you need to fold the inside pages and the cover in half. Use a bone folder to help with creasing the pages. Place all the pages inside one another and place the cover on the outside. Line them up. Now you need to measure the center fold for where you'll be stitching. I placed my stitches 20 millimeters apart with a 10 millimeter space from the top and from the bottom. Now it's time to punch the holes using an awl or another sharp object. I place an eraser underneath the book so that it's easier to go through all the pages. I also hold the book in sort of a V hold so that I can go all the way through the center. You can hold it using a clip of some sort to keep the pages together. I just find it easier to hold it in this V hold, similar to what it would be when you have an actual book cradle. It's time to sew your book. Measure out about 4 lengths of thread. Thread your needle. Start sewing your pages from the inside of the book through each hole. When you go through the first hole, leave quite a long tail. Sew all the way out in until you get to the other side, and then sew back to until you get to where you started. Once you reach the beginning, tie off the two ends and cut them, leaving a tail. Now you are going to trim off the pages that are sticking out from the middle. Place your book on your cutting board and line up the ruler as close to the end of your cover page. Then cut your pages slowly until you reach the other side, and you can turn it over and do it again if you need to. Make sure to not place too much pressure as you're cutting, rather cut more times to get through each page than tear pages. Now you can decorate your book any way you please. I decided to place a little card or two little cards on top of my book that I glued down, and I wrote the word notes in modern calligraphy. I also used a ribbon to decorate it a little bit more. In order to stick the ribbon easier, I first used double-sided tape and taped it on the other side or on the underside of the ribbon, and then I stuck the ribbon to the book. And there you go, a very simple notebook that doesn't take long to make and that you can personalize in any way you want. Thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with a new tutorial. Happy creating!